Struggling to get started with your finances? Let's do it together. In just 5 minutes, I'll give you 3 simple steps to kickstart your journey. Automate your savings, pay off debt, and invest to build wealth for life. Let's dive in. Step number 1. Automate your savings. The simplest way to gain control is to automate your finances. First, set up a 2-bank system to get organized. Use one bank's checking account as your income account. Salary, dividend, rental income, any cash deposit goes here. Use a second bank as your expense account. This is for paying all your bills. Rental, mortgage, credit card payments, utilities, anything and everything goes only from this account. And I'll tell you why in a second. Next, set up auto pay for all your credit card payments, loans, car payments, anything that allows you to do that. Go ahead and set it up. Use the expense account to make all your payments. And then estimate your monthly expenses. You can multiply your rent or mortgage by 1.5 to get a rough estimate. Example, if your rent is around $2,000, your monthly expenses could be around $3,000. Once a month, transfer the $3,000 from your income account into your expense account. This is just to get you started. In the future, you can always tweak this number based on your usage, but it's important to get started. You can check out my video for more details. Step number 2. Pay off debt. That 23% credit card debt is a relentless storm. A $10,000 debt with a 3% minimum would take you more than 27 years to pay it off. And the amount would have been $27,000. That's your money that you could have used towards a dream wedding, college education for your kids, or even a down payment for your house. Use the snowball method to fight back. List the cards by balances, lowest to highest. Keep at it until the card number 1 is cleared. And now move on to the next card. And remember, stop adding more debt. You need to be determined and focus. If you want to do all this faster, check out my video on how to increase your cash flow. Keep at it, and in few months, you'll be debt free. Finally, step 3. Invest to build wealth for life. Start smart with an emergency fund. Put aside 1 to 3 months of expenses for a rainy day. In our case, it's $3,000 times 3. Don't have it yet? Don't worry. Build it up slowly. If you just came out of credit card debt, use that momentum. Be patient and consistent. Next, invest small and steady. Even $50 a month. Follow Warren Buffett's advice with the S&P 500 index fund. Open a Vanguard account or with any other fund house you are comfortable with. Pick the VOO fund or a similar S&P 500 ETF with the fund house, and make sure you automate from your income account. As you grow comfortable, increase the amount. You can check out my videos on cash flow and investing for more details. Just start and watch your wealth grow. That's it. Just 3 steps to master your money. Automate, pay off debt, and invest. I recommend giving 15 minutes daily to this to review your progress. You can rewatch this video or check out my series for more tips, tricks, and details. And let me know below what steps worked for you. And I'll see you on the other side.